What if one of the most important future technologies in defense and aerospace is not a new jet, but a battery made from salt? I'm William Hadala, and today on the Watt Hour, we're looking at sodium ion, the abundant element that could reshape our strategic energy security. For years, lithium ion has been the standard, but lithium comes with challenges: cost volatility, supply chain concentration, and safety concerns. Sodium ion is different. It's abundant, widely distributed, and offers a way to diversify our energy security equation. It won't replace lithium everywhere. In fact, for aerospace, density still reigns supreme, but for logistics, that's where it changes the game. Nearly all defense systems depend on energy storage, but military batteries must do more than hold power. They must operate in extreme conditions. Battery chemistry is not just an engineering issue, it is a logistics, readiness, and national security issue. Sodium ion batteries operate just like lithium ion, but they use sodium particles. The big appeal: availability and strategic flexibility. First, supply chain resilience. Defense organizations want reliable access. Sodium reduces reliance on scarce or geographically concentrated materials. Second, cost at scale. If sodium ion becomes cost competitive, it will dominate high volume applications where weight is secondary. Third, safety. Sodium ion technology offers potential advantages in thermal stability, critical for transport, and field abuse tolerance. So, where does it make sense first? Probably not in a fighter jet. Instead, look at stationary energy storage for remote bases. Deployable power is another: quiet, reliable electricity that reduces generator runtime and lowers our thermal signature in the field. Aerospace is tougher. Every kilogram matters. In aviation and space, lithium ion will likely continue to dominate for years. But sodium can support the ecosystem, ground support systems, airport storage, and launch site infrastructure where weight is less critical. The biggest limitation is lower energy density. A sodium system needs more mass or volume to store the same amount of energy. We need proven suppliers and batteries that meet specific mission requirements. This process takes time, testing, and scale. The winning strategy is not choosing one over the other. Power is strategy. It's about choosing the right chemistry for the mission. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe to the Watt Hour for no hype analysis. Let me know in the comments, where do you think sodium will appear first? I'm William Hadala. Power is not support, power is strategy. I'll see you in the next one.